typically tend to creep up on me every year, but this year it literally feels like I fell asleep in September and woke up mid-December because Christmas is next week and I feel like I've done nothing to get into the holiday spirit. My circumstances this year though are a little bit different because as I'm filming this right now, in just a few days, we are leaving for an out-of-country week-long vacation. So basically I'm gonna need to go from vacation mode straight into Christmas, 'tis the season, holiday spirit mode. And I thought maybe it would help to just spend a day today getting in the holiday spirit so that I can go into my vacation with a little bit of holiday spirit, with a little bit of Christmas joy. And that way when I get back home from my trip, I can just kind of carry that spirit through and make it feel more like a natural transition. Plus the holidays are literally the best time of the year and I don't just want to skip over it. I really don't. We're going to finish off our tiny little bit of gift shopping that we have left to do before we leave. We're gonna have a holiday date night with my boyfriend. We're gonna make a nice cozy comfort food dinner. We're gonna go through some Christmas lights, watch some Christmas classics, make some hot chocolate, just all of the good holiday feels. Unfortunately, all of this is going to have to wait until the end of this workday because, you know, welcome to adulthood. We have to provide for ourselves so that we can do these things. As soon as the workday ends though, we are going to head straight to Target to wrap up our Christmas shopping for this season. I've already completed all of the gifts for family. All of those are sitting under the tree waiting for when we get back. However, my work colleagues love to give gifts and not just in like a Secret Santa white elephant setting. Like they will go out and buy 10 separate gifts for 10 different people. So it ends up being quite a lot of gift giving around here. And as someone that's not quite as established, especially financially, as my colleagues, I'm kind of doing the waiting strategy this year. I really didn't give myself much of a choice but to do the waiting strategy this year because I took off the rest of the month. So today is my very last day in the office until 2025. But since I took off the rest of the month after today, I won't be able to even give people their gifts until January. So I think for now, maybe at Target, I'll just pick up some cards because I know I'm for sure gonna need those. I just don't know quite how many and I don't really know exactly what I want to gift people yet, but obviously I have until January to figure it out. So I'm sure that'll be plenty of time. Anyway, though, I'm gonna head up to my office and we are going to put in this work day. I promise though, right after we are going to get straight into the holiday festivities. I just got out of Target and I found the most perfect little cards to give my colleagues for Christmas this year. I just thought these were too cute and they're a 10 pack, so there's plenty to go around and it kind of gives me a little bit of a buffer depending on how many cards and gift cards I want to give. And then if I have extra, I can just use them next year. But they say warm wishes and then there's a big bear and a little bear decorating a Christmas tree. I'm not gonna lie, I partially got these because I thought they'd be the perfect card for a colleague who is having a baby in like 80 days. And I just thought that was like the perfect holiday baby shower hybrid card because the timing is right and the price was right. For 10 cards, this costed me significantly less than the price of some of the singular cards. Like $10 card, hello, like that's so much to me. These were like $5. So now that I have these, they're just gonna sit, I think, for the next month or so until I go back to work again. I just wanted to knock this off my list because there is a good chance I will be purchasing gift cards online for people. And this way I don't have to go back in store to go get all of that. So just like that, we are done with our holiday shopping for 2024. I really wish I could have brought you along for more of the Christmas shopping, but to be honest with you, it wasn't really giving anyways. I'm not gonna lie. Normally I like to be very cute and creative with my gift giving and very organized, but this year it was like a sporadic effort of just like popping into stores randomly whenever we were in the area. So now that we've finished the workday, now that we've wrapped up the remainder of our Christmas shopping, I'd say it's time to head home, unwind, and get started with the holiday date night I mentioned.